Okay, so the Insta360 Luna Ultra is finally here. And honestly, this might be the first pocket camera in a while that's making DJI nervous. First impressions? This thing looks seriously impressive. You're getting a 1-inch main sensor, plus a telephoto lens with up to 3.9x optical zoom and 12x hybrid zoom, which is kinda wild for something this small. And yes, it shoots 8K video. That's a huge jump over most pocket gimbal cameras right now. The big headline, though? 10-bit color, co-engineered with Leica with rumored 14 stops of dynamic range. If that's true, creators are going to have way more flexibility for cinematic color grading. And this detachable screen? Super smart. It doubles as a wireless remote, so solo creators can set up shots and track themselves without touching the camera. Now, is it worth your money? If leaks are right, expect somewhere between $560 and $700. So yeah, not cheap. But if you're serious about vlogging or content creation and want pro-level footage in your pocket, this could absolutely be worth it. For me, if Insta360 nails the real-world performance, this might be the best pocket camera of 2026. What do you think? Worth the upgrade or sticking with DJI? Drop it in the comments.